Hey, leaders, another week to build a future. Thank you so much for joining us for last week workshop at the Idea Gym. As promised that I'll be sending you guys, I'll make a video for you guys to recap and also learn at your own pace as we prepare for the next time when we meet, that you guys should be on the same pace. So this video basically is gonna be me repeating the stuff that we did on that day, and for you guys to understand exactly at your own pace without stressing much about a lot of stuff. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, basically gonna be spending time to explain what are we designing. As I mentioned, we have now created a fictional company called We Sell Cars, right? Oh, nah, it's We Buy Cars. For them, it's We Buy Cars. For us, it's We Sell Cars, you know? So this company has came to us and told us that they are looking for a car configurator that can work in a desktop vision, that can also work in augmented reality, that can also work in virtual reality and mixed reality. So we're gonna split that scope over the days that we're meeting with. But then some of you may ask, Baso, what is this car configurator? You are speaking a very big English, say. You see, you're talking about car configurator. What is this thing? So basically, a car configurator, it's a piece of software that allows you to be able to try color or different stuff on the car that you are looking for, so that you could see how would this car actually looks like with all the specs. Usually, in most of the time, the car configurator would actually give you a 3D environment that you can see the car in all sides of stuff. And yeah, if as you can see now, it's loading, and when I move the mouse, you can be able to see this car in 3D in all sides and all this kind of stuff. And what you could also be doing is the ability to change the body color. For instance, paint, maybe I just like the yellow one, then I can choose to have a yellow color on that Ferrari, or maybe I just want the army green one, then it could be that army green. So we basically gonna create our own version of this color configurator. We're gonna make our own vision, with our own cars, and you guys will be exploring how to create this thing in Unity, bring the assets inside Unity, and be able to create materials that are different inside Unity. We're gonna make the most fun, exciting one. I'm telling you, this one, I'm telling you, it's gonna be so exciting. So I've already sent you the past video where we discussed on how to actually install Unity. So just a refresher for those. I'm gonna quickly show you the video that I'm talking about. This is a video that I'm talking about how to install Unity. It's very important for you guys to start there so that you can learn step by step on how to actually install Unity. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna basically give you a tour inside Unity, how to create material inside Unity using basic generic shape. Then after, I will then teach you on how to get the car object from from Sketchfab and bring it inside Unity. Then from there we can just make a simple uh, options that we can change the color of the body with. You understand? So without any waste of time, let's create a Car Configurator. So the first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna come to Unity Hub, open Unity Hub, and usually you would find it like this. If you guys have already fiddled with and you got multiple projects, it will look horrible like this, but if you have not, it's gonna look quite cute, very clean, nothing on that part. So now what I would like you guys to do is to come to new project, and on the new project, usually I would advise you guys to go to universal render pipeline. Some of you have seen you went to the 3D built-in pipeline, so that's when we were trying to manipulate the materials. You guys could not see what we are seeing on the universal render pipeline. Please go to this version of universal 3D. That's what we are looking for, and then choose the name. We sell Car Configurator. Alright, and check the Unity Cloud. We don't need it for this task, and let's create the project. It may take some time, so I'm just gonna pause the video at this point until when it's loaded.